Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I have an Ipsy unboxing for you, and this is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I'll post a link to that down in the description box below. There is a little update in there for you. But right now I'm going to go ahead and open up this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That's like a tongue twister for me. But I actually didn't realize I was getting this box because I thought I had skipped it, or I thought I had like postponed it or whatever, but I'm getting it and I'm a little sad about it because I'm not super excited with the contents. There's definitely been better boxes. This is probably my 5th or 6th box now, and I haven't made a video, so you guys haven't seen any of the past ones, but hopefully you've seen some other Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxings out there. This is Ipsy's kind of bigger subscription. It's full-size products. It's $25 a month instead of the $10 a month that the Ipsy bag is. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I got in my April box, and this is what it looks like. This is the card that it comes with. It lists the products that are in your box in here. It gives you the full price information. It gives you tips, a little blurb about it, whatnot. So the first thing in here, this is the thing I'm probably the least excited about, just because it's just, I don't know, I'm not excited about it. But this is the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez, and I believe this retails for, let me find it on here, $35. It's the Moods eyeshadow and highlighter palette. Let me open it up for you guys. The reason I'm not excited about it is because, honestly, when I open this up, this just looks like a child's makeup palette, in my opinion. It looks like something that I would have gotten when I was like really little to just play around with. I don't know about the quality. I haven't used it. I haven't swatched it, and I probably won't, just because, like I said, I probably won't use this. I might give this to someone else, but it has a lot of bright colors, which I don't normally wear. There are a couple of neutrals, and it does have a few highlight shades in here and a brush. I mean, let me know. I could be wrong. Let me know if you have this palette, if you have products from Laura Sanchez, and if they're good or not, but I'm not excited about it. Again, I felt like it was very kind of juvenile looking. But again, that's judging it by its cover, like literally. The next product in here is from Lovecraft Beauty, again, a brand I'm not familiar with. This is their blush palette. I think the biggest thing I'm not excited about with this box is it has a lot of brands in here that I've never heard of, which makes me feel like it's just kind of random stuff. I mean, like I said, I could be wrong. I haven't been on social media in quite a while, so maybe these are like really great brands that I just don't know, but let me know. Like I said, if you've tried any of this, I would love to hear your feedback. It's hard to talk when you haven't done this for a really long time. But anyway, this is a blush palette. This one I will probably use just because I like the colors that are in it, especially I think that summer's coming up. These will be kind of nice. They're a little bit warmer, like slash darker colors. So it comes with 3 shades here. This one's kind of like a medium like pinky shade. This one's more of like a bronzy peach, and this one is more of like a mauve-y color, but they look pretty. So I'll probably use these. We'll see. Like I said, I've been wearing a lot of the same makeup like over and over again on the days that I actually have the energy to put on makeup. It's pretty much been completely the same. So this one I am excited about. This is from Benefit, a brand I've actually heard of. This is their highbrow pencil, and it is the new one. So I am excited about this, and again, it's full size. I do like these types of like highlighter pencils, like the matte ones. Oh, I just flung this stuff out of there. Okay, so this is, okay, so the blush palette retails for $39, and the Benefit Highbrow Highlighter is $22. So the next item in here is from Goldfaden MD. I may have heard of this. I don't know, but I'm not really sure. I don't know too much about this brand. But this is their Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This I am excited about. I love trying out eye creams, especially ones that are targeted for dark circles. So I'm excited about this, I guess. It says Dr. Goldfaden's Advanced Ultralight Brightening Eye Cream reduces under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines for a more luminous and youthful glow. And it is full size, and this retails for $55. Last product in here, I was like, what? Paris Hilton. This is the Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel. It says formulated with ingredients like caviar lime that deliver vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants to the skin. Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel gently lifts away dirt, impurities, and makeup while maintaining the skin's natural moisture balance. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the Paris Hilton brand. I feel like I haven't even heard about Paris Hilton in, gosh, years. So I have no idea what to think about this. To be honest, I'm not super excited. It's, again, a brand I've never heard of. I feel like this was just thrown in here because maybe it wasn't selling. I don't know. But this supposedly retails for $29. But honestly, it's a face cleanser. And it says in here that it's an exfoliating face cleanser. So I feel like I can still use this. It's a good size. Right now, though, being pregnant, I don't really want to switch up my skincare routine. I'm okay with the stuff that I'm using right now. It seems to be working fine for me, so I'll probably hold off trying this until afterward. But let me know if you've heard of this, if you've tried it yourself, if you tried other products from the Paris Hilton like skincare line. Maybe they're good. Maybe I just have to try these products and give them a chance. But yeah, that's actually all that was in the April Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for this month. Like I said, I thought I had skipped it. I thought there's an option where you can do a box every other month. I thought I had switched to that. And since I'd gotten the box from last month, I wasn't expecting this one, but I guess I didn't do it. Pregnancy brain, I have no idea anymore. But I have since postponed it for the next 3 months, I think it is. So that's nice that you have that option. Just because, honestly, like I said, this is like my 5th or 6th box, and I've only used a couple of the products that have come in here because I just don't really do my makeup all that often anymore. But yeah, like I said, not super excited about this box. I know there were a couple of other different things that you could have gotten, so if you guys got your Glam Bag Plus this month, I would love to know what you got inside. I would also love to know if you tried any of these products. Like I said, maybe I'm just being a brand snob because I've never heard of them. I think that they're not that great, but I could be completely wrong, so let me know in the comments below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.